Let's learn how to capture long screenshot. Normally we can capture a screenshot by pressing volume down key and power key on same time. In this method we can capture a normal screenshot. Now I will tell you how to capture a long screenshot. Now I open my mobile settings. In this area I can capture a long screenshot. Now I press my mobile volume down key and power key on same time. Immediately you want to press this down arrow icon. You can see this screenshot toolbar in bottom area. You can continually capturing like this. Now let's see our captured screenshot. This is our captured long screenshot. In this method you can take a long screenshot. Now this is bonus tip for you. I will tell you another method to capture a screenshot. You can swipe down your notification bar. After in here we cannot see a screenshot option. We can add the screenshot shortcut to this area. Click on this pencil icon on top area. After click on edit button. In here you can see this available buttons. Take screenshot option available. You can click on this option. After click on done button. Now again I tap my notification bar. Now I can see screenshot option already enabled. Now when I press this button, I can capture a screenshot like this. By clicking this take screenshot option, you can capture a screenshot without pressing your volume down key and power key.